We're gonna put the birdie away, baby. Can mommy put the birdie away? What's that? What's that? Ooh, a hand of doom. No, don't bring her out. No, that's not bring her out. Say bye-bye, birdie. Birdie going bye-bye. Go ahead and get the cage, though. Get the cage. He's taking the birdie away, baby. Bye-bye, birdie. The birdie going bye-bye. I don't think she wants the bird to go anywhere. Say bye-bye, birdie.
Gosh.
The birdie's got to go bye-bye, baby. Princess, the birdie's got to go bye-bye, honey. He's putting the birdie up. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Watch out. Say
bye-bye, birdie. Say bye. Princess, come here, baby. Come here. Sit. Princess. You sure aren't listening very well. Come here. The birdie's got to go bye-bye, honey. She is determined. Okay, come on, Princess. Oh, what a good sit. Good girl. Come on.